any engine power because this you have to be checked. Once you replace a brand new one, you have to check like 2 to 3 months before that. You check that how much this fuel up and down. Okay, so once you can change going to the your truck by the Volvo dealer, you need to get this proper wrench. Okay, you buy that, simply you can put it in. That's a notch right there, see that? Then you can just loosen them up. So you can easily loosen them up. You can tie this. Okay, now you can drain also your emergency. You don't have any brand new filter underneath. There's a knob. Okay, you can simply press down. You can release that temporarily, so you can drive where you need to go. So that causes your engine power when you're going to hill maybe very slow down 50 to 30 miles because of this. You can change that. Okay, folks. That's what I have to show you. Save money because right now it's very tough for truck drivers right now. Have a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my channel. If you don't like my channel, still subscribe. I will say thank you for you folks anyway. God bless you all. Love you all. So long. Now folks, you can see that there's a comparison how dirty this filter is. That one is totally black. Don't you see that? So that's why you need to change it. I think you need to change it about 2 to 3 months. Before and after you have to be changing this. This is only $36, folks. Simply open the top cover. You got the proper wrench right there, and that will do the job. Okay, it's a very simple job. So don't go to truck stuff. They're gonna charge you $50, $100 for doing. You can done about 5-10 minutes if you have a proper tools. Okay, folks. All right. Really dirty, look at that. Right? So simply you can just pull it out. Pull it out. And then put the new one, okay? That's it. Very simple job, okay folks? So you need to don't scare about that, this doing this job, alright? Alright folks, thank you for watching. If you do thumbs up, I will really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.